Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here with Peterson Electric. Want to show you why you should replace a panel that's had water damage. This job I looked at about 2 years ago on a home warranty call. This did have a little 50 amp sub panel here and then a smaller 50 amp sub panel here with 5 circuits and two. So we're going to combine all this, but you can see the damage that the water had done from the drain. They finally had gotten that fixed, but look at how much damage happened, and it's irreversible. You can see the plastic mold, which this is a rubber actually, and the bus bar here completely rust. Sometimes you can take off the breaker and then sand it down if you kill power at the main. Some of these homes don't have a main breaker, so you can't do that unless you call utilities, and at that point they're going to make you change your panel anyways. So this again is a 1960s home. I will give you guys another video and show you what this looks like by the end of the day. And I already did another video on the service change, which I'm in a different outfit because of the fact that I did that a week ago to build on the outside. But I'll show you the whole result when we're